Hello ladies and gentlemen, look there, this is yesterday 29 UTC 10 o'clock. Look this area, this is a Atlantic Ocean. They sprayed it all. I think this is all chemical flood now, and I don't know what to say to this. See this spraying, it's crisscross all over the sea, and they manipulate the weather unbelievable again. This will come now. This is like a break here. Also they split it here. A few hours later, this is Germany. Here's half active, this area. See here all those waves standing, and rest of Germany is full of clouds again. And also they sprayed just here. Here's Frankfurt, and it will not run. Look at those area. Also yesterday. Okay, this is tonight. No, this is yesterday night. Look that. 29, 2 p.m. You see here that area. See this spraying here, and this, and there. They're spraying at night time. Also they're doing here. This is all sprayed area. Half active over here. Here, see the waves. Okay. What else we have? There's Germany again. Same picture. This is a few hours later. Here you see this ugly spraying. I'll zoom a little in. Now hopefully it will run. You can see, and this all is like a break. Also here you see the splitting. This big high here, what's turning in clockwise. Oh, but next we come from more above. Oh, this is yesterday noon. Here all hub active everywhere in the northwest, and you can see how they spray here also in the North Sea, right over here. Here's one spraying. Here's one spraying. Here's one spraying. Here's one spraying. This is just new sprayed. Also here. Okay. Now we come. This is nighttime already. You see. The time. What you see? 8 o'clock. Still you see the sprayings. They spraying in and in and in and in all the time, and half active in Great Britain again. So maybe it will run. Then you can see this ugly sunset here. It's unbelievable what they're doing here again. Okay. Yeah. So now this would come down to Germany. Here's this ugly break. You see this here? This is coming down in this right on Germany. This is all directed by here, and then you split it here, some part goes down, the other part goes around. This is all weather manipulation. Mind control. Yeah, they can do whatever they like. I wish you all the best, have a nice time, bye bye.